Hey, afternoon, Crispy, back with another little padlock. I've got a tri-circle today. I thought I'd try one of these old, something I had lying around. Okay. Normal keyway. Steel shackle. I'm not quite sure what the body is made out of, but it's got a brass core. I do have the keys. I've given it a little bit of an oil up because it was sounding a bit grindy in there earlier on, so let's see a nice smooth action again now. I'm going to go, I'll just show you the key. You see the bit in there? Okay, so we're going to go bottom of the keyway today. And I'm going to, not a great deal of tension, I'm just going to try and work around the camera. Can you see that? Hopefully so. And gentle working my way down the stack, trying to find a binder. And I think number 5 is there, but I've overset one. There we go. No fuss, no fanfare. Tri-circle. Not a lot to it. Picked. Hope you enjoyed the video. More to come soon. Take it easy.